Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about my new gun. So, here's the chamber.
Hi guys.
It holds about 15 to 16 bullets. You use these kind of bullets. They're green and they're clear. It's a 6mm BB gun. You can get different colors in these, but I got this because it has more bullets. And so it doesn't waste all my bullets when I use them a lot, because I shoot this gun almost every day. And
this was really full, and he's used about that much. And there's 2,000
bullets.
2,000 green bullets in here.
And you can cock it. It goes really easy.
So if you know anybody that likes to shoot guns, but they're not that strong, it's a good gun for them.
Yeah.
And also, when he shot that,
if you guys want to get it, you can get it from Sportsman's Warehouse, Amazon. You can get a holster for it. So yeah. And this can of bullets was probably about $9.
You don't have to get as many, and you do not have to get these green ones. You can get white ones,
clear ones,
white clear.
Yeah. See, this is it.
This is the
magazine.
magazine.
I'm gonna go outside, and you guys are gonna watch me shoot it.
And I'm gonna be recording.
Here, take it. So here he goes.
Can you see it? So we're going out to our deck.
So look at me.
Got our gun.
So I got the gun right here.
It's very easy to shoot.
And you can, if you want to, you could try. I shot a bird before, but it knocked it out, but I didn't kill it. Knocked it out for about 10 minutes.
Don't shoot all of it. So, well guys, I guess that's going to be all for today's video.
And yeah, it shoots pretty good. Yeah, so it shoots really. Okay, I'm almost done.
We're going to have to edit this. Do you want me to edit for you? I think that's all.
Alright guys, that's all for today. Like I said, this is only about 15.
And say we might end up posting another video.
We might end up posting another video today. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.
Hold on.
See you next time. Peace.
Peace. See you guys.
Bye. Remember, $15 to $16. See ya.